Hi, today we are in Hong Kong and we are here to make slime egg. Snow, cloud, fluffy, butter. Can I have the blue color, please? Now we're going to get some decoration. We are in a shopping center called K11. Let's go to see what do we will have. Can I have this one, please?
This texture?
Yes.
Yes. But you need the DIY one or the pre-made one?
DIY.
DIY. It's a little bit time to make it around 45 minutes. Is okay?
Okay. So you can choose snow, and this is cloud that I choose, and this is fur, fluffy, and this is butter.
Yes. You can choose the color and then the flavor.
Color?
Yeah.
Can I have the blue color, please?
This one? The blue one?
Yeah.
You need the sky blue?
Yeah, please.
In orange milk.
And then the flavor.
Can I?
Try the bubble gum.
Bubble gum.
Can I smell it first? Ah, no.
You like it?
Yeah.
The 1 cup for you get the charms, the decoration, but just this 1 cup.
Now we're going to get some decoration. Only 1 cup. So there's some ice cream. I got this one ice cream and and it rather sounds like tricycles. It is not really Halloween yet, so I would not have the Halloween one. So this one is the bear. Cute. When we've done the decoration, we will mix the slime. First, we'll mix this. We will mix it when the blue and the white is good and mix it together with this. Then we need to put the actuator. This actuator is dangerous, so we don't use hand to mix it. So we just put it a little bit and a little bit when it is ready to mix.
Put this one. If put it more and then if don't sticky, you can put this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's still sticky, so we need to mix it up when it's clean and good. It's sticking. Let's see if it stick our hand or no. It's a little bit sticky, so let's just do it again, but a little bit. This is really perfect. But we just need to get the water out. Now we are done. It didn't stick our hand, so let's put a little bit this and more of it. This is texture cloud and let's do it.
ใช้มือผสมได้เลยโอเค
Let's put the white on top of the blue and you cannot see it. Now we are putting the texture cloud, so let's just mix it. Now we put the glitter. This is glitter and we can put more. I got pink.
Oh my god.
And a little bit of orange. Now let's mix it good and good. Put the decoration in the cup.
A few moments later.
Going to decorate it. I got these pom-poms. Let's see that.
น่ารักมากเลย
This is a lot of color. Ta-da! I did it like something like a pizza.
Much later.
Let's put it again. I will put it right here next to the ice cream. And this bear will be next to the ice cream too. And this will be all next to the ice cream. This rabbit will be next to the cutie bear. And this is something like a pineapple and a cute cloud. Let's put these four. One is have a lot of colors on it. And on right here will not have color, but right here it will have color. So put more things. Now we are done with our slime. Let's just play a little bit. This is $265. Hope everybody enjoy and like and subscribe and see you next time. Bye. If it is on your teacher like this,